In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz on Wix in 2025. Whether you're a teacher looking to engage your students, a business owner trying to assess customer satisfaction, or just someone who loves interactive content, adding a quiz to your Wix site can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and see how you can embed a Google form-based quiz through Wix. First, head over to Google Forms. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. It's a simple yet powerful tool for creating custom quizzes. Once you are on the Google Forms homepage, look for the button that says blank quiz and click on it. This will give you a fresh, clean slate to start creating your quiz. Now that your blank quiz is open, let's give it a title. Click at the top of the form where it says Untitled Quiz and add a name that reflects the content or purpose of your quiz. A catchy title can attract more participants and pique their interest. After you've titled your quiz, it's time to dive into the options. Click into the options section to add questions, choices, and adjust settings like multiple choice, short answer, or true or false. Take your time to ensure each question is well written and formatted to suit your audience's needs. Once your questions are all set, navigate to the Responses tab. This is an essential step as it allows you to configure how you want to collect and review submissions. You can set up Google Sheets for results, enable notifications, and much more. The next step is to head over to the Settings tab. Here you can decide on various aspects of your quiz, like whether to allow multiple submissions or to collect email addresses. Just make sure everything aligns with the purpose of your quiz. With your quiz fully configured, it's time to publish it and get that all-important code to embed it on your Wix site. Click on the Publish button, then the three dots in the Settings menu, which will usually be located near the top right. From there, click on Embed HTML. After obtaining the Embed HTML, simply click the Copy button. You're almost done. Now, switch over to your Wix website. Open your site in the Wix editor, where you can easily add new content and features. Look for the plus icon on the left of the screen and click it to open the list of elements you can add. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you find Embed Code. This is what allows you to insert custom code snippets into your site's pages. Select Embed HTML from the list of options. In the newly opened window, paste the embed code you copied from Google Forms. Double check to make sure that the code pasted correctly and hasn't been truncated or altered. Finally, click the update button to save the changes and place the quiz on your site. And there you have it, your quiz is now live and ready for participants. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this helps enhance your Wix site with engaging, informative quizzes.